I jumped off the porch after taking notes. Started making dough and started playing broke. I was making.
Like how does someone go about? Okay, now like they've already scaled their brand up. How do they go about trying to sell it? Like just I don't know.
Well,
like,
you could put it on the Shopify exchange. You could put it on Flippa. These are two websites that you could literally just list your business right away and people will buy it. I think this is good for businesses that are a little less successful, meaning like they are doing well, but they're not like at a high level. So 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 sale price.
Right.
But if you're trying to get hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars for your brand, people aren't going to buy it with their credit card in an exchange, you know? So what I learned from a friend who sold his business was that I needed to get a broker, and he recommended me to a company, and their name is Website Closers, by the way. And
that's dope.
Yeah,
Appreciate you.
they helped me out. They did a full audit of my business before anything, and we're gonna see, hey, can this sell or can this not sell? Then they tell you the honest answer, and they said yes to me. And then they get an evaluation. So they run all your numbers, and they tell you, based off other businesses that we've sold, based off your numbers, this is how much your business is worth. And then they have a large library of people who buy these businesses or are interested in buying these businesses.
Dope.
And they kind of push it to them. And they have a website. They promote your business, basically. And then they take a percentage of the overall sale.
Of course.